So I'm using your favorite key, which is C major, and probably your favorite Roman numeral, which is 1, to make a passing 6/4. So in a key of C major, if I want to do a passing 6/4 over one chord, the bass gonna have C, D, E. So it's gonna go from 1 to 1/6 with a passing 6/4 here. And since we now know the passing note is the note D, and we also know it's a 6/4, it's a second inversion, so we know it's a chord of fifth, so that's how we know it's Roman numeral 5. Okay, you can watch all my videos multiple times for things you do not follow right away. So, but I'm telling you, it's 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 6, because we know this D is the chord of fifth of G, of chord of fifth of G major chord, hence the 5, 6, 4. Okay, so it's C, D, E, and then you see how in one of the other three voices I have E, D, C, yeah, it's the country motion. And then I have the G, 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 that's a common tone. And then I have the C, B, C, that's a lower neighbor. So that's a passing 6/4, a beautiful passing 6/4. So let's say if I want to do a passing 6/4 on the 4 chord, do you know how to make it? So now we know, and now notice I'm doing it backward. I'm doing downward just for practice. I go A, G, F, yes, I'd go backward just to practice. Notice when I say the first inversion has to double the root. Same thing as this one. You see how it's doubling the C, now the E, yes? So I know I have to double the root, which is note F. So I'm gonna have that in my mind while I reproduce the passing 6/4 here. I also know one of the other three parts have, so this one is A, G, F. That means one of the three parts will have F, G, A. So let's see what happens if I put in the alto. Yes, I'm gonna put alto F, G, A. Okay. And then I also know the lower neighbor is the one that uses the root of this chord. So I'm gonna have a F, E, F. Let's see which voice I want to do it here. Let me try to do in the tenor, F, E, F. Okay. And then I only have soprano. I know that the one that stays is the chord of fifth of this one. So that would be a C. So I do a C, C, C. Looks like this. There's a problem, isn't it? Did you catch it? That is more than an octave, so I'm gonna fix that by flipping. I flip the soprano down. Then I am done. Yeah. So I'm doubling the root, not the bass of the first inversion. I have this da da dum, da da dum, da da dum, da da dum. So that's a passing 6/4. So remember, we have the country motion, yes. The one that stays is the chord of fifth of the first chord. And the one that has a lower neighbor is the root, start with the root of the first chord, or I mean of the main chord, let's say. So that's passing 6/4. So watch this multiple times until you get it. And then on Monday, when you have class with Dr. Schumann, you're gonna be practicing this on your workbook. Good luck.